Welcome to Repair Lab here at Micro Precision. This is the area where we bring your valuable tests and measuring equipment back to its working condition. Our expert technicians don't just pick equipment to perform in-depth diagnostic and precision repair services to ensure your instrument return to your performing as good as new. Our facilities are equipped to handle a comprehensive range of instruments across various disciplines. The most equipment we restored includes digital multimeters, power supplies, function generators, and frequency counters. Our repair services are important to industry where downtime is costly. We frequently restore instruments for clients in aerospace and defense, telecom, where ensuring network performance instruments are reliable, and general electronics manufacturing, keeping production line running smoothly. Client equipment come to us presenting with a variety of different issues and faults. Before starting the repair, conduct a detailed failure analysis to understand the root cause of the fault. We then verify the availability of parts and the necessary technical manual to ensure the integrity of the repair. After that, we proceed with the physical restoration of the device, ensuring the fix is complete and equipment is ready for reliable, long-term use. Not all calibration and metrology companies offer repair services. We continue to expand our service offering to include equipment repair, adding to our wide variety of capabilities. We also stand out through the quality we deliver, backed up by our ISO IEC 17025 accreditation. This means our technical competence is in calibration following the repair is verified. Furthermore, a special feature of our repair service is our integrated repair and calibrated solution. Don't let faulty equipment slow you down. Trust the expert at Micro Precision to provide reliable repair and accredited calibration. We don't just fix instrument, we restore your confidence because quality begins here.